to drive to the Makawao Forest. This is our first time ever visiting this part of the island, so we're so excited to kind of go check it out and see how things are. I'm trying to be discreet because people are driving around us. But we're excited. Anthony's sister, who is local here, is going to be taking us around to check out the forest. So let's see how it goes. We're here. Beautiful. Maui just always surprises us with the beautiful, beautiful scenery. Just amazing. Always. There's always something new to discover or explore here. And then they got the cinnamon one. Whoa. Here, take one, baby. Take the top one. Try it. Take a bite and then share with mommy.
He's like, I'll take 2 bites.
Delicious. Mmm.
Yum.
You want the rest? You can hold it.
He would probably like the glazed one more.
Yeah. James, say Makawao Forest.
Makawao Forest. I have had
Come in, guys, it's raining.
Oh, guys, it's raining.
So, in the forest, it's really, really cool because there's like these little teepee huts everywhere, and me and James could just hide in here when it's raining. But yeah, they're so cool. Take a look. Like, if you want to explore a forest, I would highly recommend this one. So if you follow the trails here at the forest, you'll find very, very beautiful views. You'll see views of the ocean and the creeks. We just went and we just did a little short hike through the forest just because we have James and he's hungry now. But yeah, it's very, very pretty. It's full of eucalyptus trees and all kinds of plants and trees for all you plant and tree lovers in forest. But it's just magical feeling here.